Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to learn how to make text lowercase with CSS, okay? So sometimes we can't control how the text comes to us, like if you get the text from an API or from a web scraping, and we need to put the text on lowercase. So this can be easily done with only CSS. Here I have an HTML file linking and style sheets file that I will do the code of CSS, okay? And first we need to write some text in uppercase or mixed case, it doesn't matter, okay? So I create a p tag and here I will put some text here. Please lowercase me, okay? So we need to put rules on this tag. We just have this p, so we can put a broader rule like this p something. And like I said before, I have this style sheet, so we need this to get the same results as me. And I will open this now with my browser. So let's open with live server. And as you can see here, I have the uppercase text, okay? So let's apply the rule. What rule we need to transform this text to lowercase? It's like I said before, text transform, okay? We have some options here, okay? And the option we want is lowercase. We need to save the file, and after that, if we look at the browser, we can see some text here, please lowercase me, and it is already lowercased, okay? So if you have like a mixed case, like this is the main title, okay? Now I have an H1 mixing subcase like this word, okay? And if I apply the same rule here, what will happen? Well, the same thing. I will have the text on lowercase. Let's see. Text transform, lowercase, save the file, switch to the browser, and now I have the text just in lowercase. So guys, this is the right way to put text in lowercase with CSS. And on the contrary, you can get the same result with uppercase text. So let's create another title. This is another title. And we want to put this H2 on uppercase. How can we do this? Simple. We just need to use another value of this rule. We want the uppercase one. So if we save and switch to the browser, we have the uppercase text. So guys, very easy. We just need to use the property text transform and switch the rules to what we want to make the text as lowercase or uppercase. It doesn't matter. We just need to use some rule that text transform has. Okay. So, hope you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel, this is very important to me, and see you in the next one.